How do you make very simple seals for your race car? Stay tuned to find out. That's a good one! So these are race car seals. Massive carbon fiber, lightweight joggers. These are for Eden, for the Spicy Micro version 3. How am I making them? Well, like this. In essence, it's just an L shape. And obviously you cannot buy such a large L-shaped carbon anywhere really, unless you order it from me. The easiest way is to literally use whatever surface you've been using before, if not, and then use another surface for the upright. In essence, you're making yourself a really smooth L-shape mold, if you will. Here I'm using obviously phenolic ply. This is where I make the splitters, and this is just sort of the same material we made our bumpers with, very smooth plastic. Chemical release agent from Easy Composites does a wonderful job releasing the thing, and then you basically just apply your layers. This is going to be Infusion. So we have two outer layers which are visual. So we have this nice large checkered 10 mil spread toe, and then we have 210 gram carbon on the inside. And then I kind of cheat. I mean, it's not really supposed to be used for that, but I do use it, and I've used it before, and in essence it's the same thing. This is a breather cloth that you use for wet lay, and it's kind of a cheap and effective way to bulk up your composite. I mean, it's the same thing as Lantosoric. Just Lantosoric is a little bit more suitable for this because it has channels and everything like that. But as far as I can tell, and I've tried both, resin uptake is identical. And because this is not a critical part, because this is not really a structural part, this is more of a beautification sort of panel, we're not really caring about the structural sort of properties of this. But it creates thickness, and it definitely, even single layer, creates this sort of firmness, if you will, because obviously the thickness does. So we're gonna put a layer of that, and then I put little strips, extra reinforcements, so just it's a double, and then another sheet of carbon, and then we infuse, and it takes 1.3 kilograms of resin, including all the mesh and everything, and the final weight is 1.5 kilograms. I mean, they're big, they are big. This is 250 millimeters and it's 300 millimeters. Yes, larger than you need, but it's easier to cut on the card than make them identical to the size. And they are 1.85 meters long again, so you can trim excess whichever way you want to trim the excess. Anyways, let's put a few more layers and then infuse it.
Je suis sexy, genre je sais pas. Monte dans l'avion direct, aéro, pas. J'ai pas beaucoup de cash, ça ne va pas. Mais j'ai ce truc qui frappe, Dua Lipa. Je suis sexy, genre je sais pas. Je monte dans l'avion direct, aéro, pas. J'ai pas beaucoup de cash, ça ne va pas. Mais j'ai ce truc qui frappe, Dua Lipa. Je bois pas de Gucci ni Versace, ma côté lit sur ton tapis. C'est pas du luxe, c'est de la magie, mon énergie part en folie. Rate pas le tripopli, le prix t'as de la chance.
And the rest is trivial, you've seen it all before. We have peel ply, then special mesh, and the bag. And I'm happy that it's actually at full vacuum, better than the first one. There was a few places where it wasn't sealing. Mixed resin, I always mix multiple small amounts so it doesn't ectotherm. So this is about 800 grams. And now we basically watch, because it's not as critical and it's quite a few thin layers, I'm just letting it run at full speed, and you can see this is literally live how fast it's all moving. Make sure you monitor the amount of resin. Do not let it dry. Let it run dry, because if it does, it pulls bubbles, and then it's a pain. You have to run quite a bit of resin through it to get rid of all the bubbles.
One eternity later.
It's currently almost 1 o'clock. So this part has been, in essence, ready within the same day. About 8 hours, which is kind of okay because I used fast hardening. So here we have a big L-shaped side seal for Geese Spicy Micra version 3. This is literally how it came out of the mold. So further preparation can be done to make it shinier if you want to. I'm not trying to sell it to you. This is just how I made, and I'm just showing you that it's very simple to create shapes like this from using whatever materials you have, literally just some plastic and plywood, and you have your L shape, and you can have this, and it's really strong, if you can see, you know, and it's fairly light. I'm not sure how much it's gonna weigh, but it would be under 2 kilograms. Anyways, guys, really quick, not tutorial. For more carbon, follow me. For more welding, don't follow me. I don't know how to weld. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.